Hey, I'm Mike. I'm doing some repair work on some tools for a local farm, and one of the things I got to do is this shovel. They asked me to sharpen it, but as you can see, it's pretty ripped up in front. So I'm going to cut this piece off and cut out a piece to match it out of some 14 gauge steel, and then weld it on and shape it and sharpen it. Well, I finished rebuilding that shovel, and I'm pretty happy with how it came out. One other point I'd add is, it's only about 15 or 20 bucks to replace a shovel like that. So it's not really about saving the money. It's that I really believe in fixing things instead of throwing them away. Thanks for watching.